Instagram versus YouTube. Is it possible to make money on Instagram in the same way that you can on YouTube? How do celebrities earn money on Instagram? Many people keep asking me the same question. How does Instagram pay people? Will Instagram compensate me for each post in the same way that YouTube does? Before I can make money from Instagram, do I need to have a large following like a celebrity? What are the methods by which celebrities get their millions from Instagram posts? How many followers do I need before companies can request sponsored ads? In this video, I'll go over all of these things and show you how to make money with your Instagram account. But first, please subscribe and turn on the notify button to receive more high-quality videos like this. Thank you. For starters, Instagram isn't like YouTube in that the way YouTube pays isn't the same as how Instagram pays. Instagram users make money primarily through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and the sale of their own items. Indeed, one of the wildest things I've seen is that Kylie Jenner is predicted to earn $1.5 million for each Instagram post she makes, which is absurd. That isn't usual in the least, as I can tell you from personal experience. As of July 2021, she has over 246 million Instagram followers. Is Instagram similar to YouTube in terms of remuneration? We all know that ads will appear in YouTube videos for 5 seconds at particular periods. With those ads on their videos, YouTube pays their content creators once they have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a period of 12 months. Is Instagram capable of this too? Instagram does not share revenue with creators in the same way that YouTube does. You can only make money from sponsor adverts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own things on the platform. You can make steady money by uploading videos to your YouTube channel. Instagram, on the other hand, isn't designed in this manner. They don't have that network, and they don't share revenue with their creators, which I think is a huge financial concern. What happens if you reach 10,000 Instagram followers? When you reach 10,000 Instagram followers, you have access to the swipe up link function for your Instagram stories. This function is unique and useful in that it allows you to share links with your audience without having to send them to your biography first. Apart from this, there are no official features accessible after reaching 10,000 Instagram followers. People may be more motivated to follow you and consider your content if you have thousands of followers on Instagram because it is an easy sign of legitimacy. Absolutely. You'll catch the attention of Instagram's many users if you employ some attractive and artistic photographs. It's something you see all the time. An Instagram post by a celebrity appears to be slightly different from the rest. Maybe it's the way they're posing so carefully. What is the best way to increase your Instagram following? Implement the following key practices into your overall approach to increase your Instagram following. Make a clear distinction between your niche and the rest of the market. What kind of account do you have? Whether it's fashion, lifestyle, travel, food, music, gaming, or anything else. If it's about fashion, lifestyle, travel, food, music, gaming, or anything else, it must be stated clearly in your profile and in the content you publish. Post on a regular basis. Consistent posting offers more opportunities for your audience to engage with your material and for you to get followers. Create high-quality content and share it. Spend time on your tales, videos, and content descriptions, and publish high-quality photographs. If your content is useful or important, and it appears excellent, your audience will notice your account. If you need some ideas, look for Instagram-worthy pop-up events. Join your audience in conversation. Remember to respond to your followers and potential followers' comments and communications. Encourage people to check out your page. Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and other social media sites are excellent places to promote and build your Instagram account. Make a splash. Having your material featured on a larger account exposes it to a much larger audience and can lead to significant growth. If you tag your content, several feature accounts may use it. Following accounts that are related to you is a good idea. Following relevant accounts in your sector or specialization and discovering who their fans are might help you understand more about them. This might help you fine-tune your content as well as target a similar audience. What is the best way to get started and make money on Instagram? Don't underestimate how much work it takes to get to the point where you can benefit from Instagram. Writing down, photographing, and editing photographs and films before publishing them on a daily basis requires time and attention. If you're just beginning, it's a good idea to brush up on your photography and social media skills. Here are 4 of the most effective business models for making money on Instagram while also building your account for sponsor advertisement. 1. Earn money by selling other people's products as an affiliate. You can earn a commission by selling other people's goods. Affiliate programs are used by many people to make money on Instagram. An affiliate, as opposed to an influencer, works to increase sales for the partnered brand in exchange for a commission. The influencer, on the other hand, has a unique opportunity to raise awareness. 2. Make money by selling poster photos and other virtual goods. It's all about the images on Instagram. As a result, attractive products and photographs will generate more sales. You can sell posters, paintings, drawings, animations, movies, and other virtual products that are based on images or videos. Refer readers to the link in your bio in each post. This is a common approach for people to generate money with Instagram. 3. Create and sell your own physical goods. Any tangible thing that you manufacture or purchase from vendors can be sold on Instagram. This type of e-commerce selling frequently necessitates stocking some inventory, which means you'll have to spend some money to shop for your products. You'll also need a place to store the things, such as a spare room reception or a hired storage facility. This is especially true if you intend to save money by purchasing things in bulk. You can buy your items from big e-commerce websites like Amazon, eBay, Wish, Alibaba. You'll need a place to store your goods before it's ordered by your customers and delivered to them. 4. Sell drop-shipped items. Drop shipping is a business approach that allows you to operate your store without ever having to retain inventory. After you've made a purchase, your supplier will ship your products directly to your customer from their warehouse. You'll never have to worry about your products being stored, packaged, or shipped. Little tips on how to grow your YouTube channel fast. The truth is not easy to be monetized on YouTube. But follow these tips and I promise you will be monetized within a short period of time. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before YouTube can acknowledge your channel for monetization. But before that, do the following. 1. Use high-quality thumbnails for all your videos. Your thumbnail can really help you gain more views. The best colors to use are blue, yellow, green, orange. These colors help you to stand out from the majority of other channels that are using almost the same colors. 2. Make longer videos. YouTube likes to promote videos that will help keep their visitors longer on their platform. Also, longer videos help you reach the 4,000 hours of watch time fast. 3. Relate with your viewers. Always do your best to reply to most comments and engage with your audience. 4. Post video on a regular basis. It helps your channel grow faster. 5. Be patient. 6. Respect YouTube community guidelines so that you will not be banned from monetization. Yes, many people are not patient enough and many of them always stop uploading videos. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and set on notifications to receive more high-quality videos like this. Thank you.